Easy registration on Giginsto. Join the freelancing revolution in minutes. Welcome to Giginsto, your go-to platform for connecting with top freelancers and clients, whether you're looking to offer your skills or find the perfect talent. Steps to register on Giginsto. Step 1. Visit the Giginsto website. Step 2. Find the Join button. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. Step 4. Accept terms and conditions. Step 5. Submit and get started. Step 6. Email verification required. Step by step. How to register on Giginsto. Step 1. Visit the Giginsto website. Go to giginsto.com to begin your freelancing adventure or find the talent you need. Step 2. Find the Join button. Click on the Join button, located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. Fill out the registration form with your details. Enter your full name, a unique username, your email address, and an optional phone number. Do not include the country code for your phone number. Create a strong password to keep your account secure. Step 4. Accept terms and conditions. Read and accept the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. It's important to understand our policies before continuing. Step 5. Submit and get started. Click the Complete Registration button to finish setting up your account. Welcome to the Giginsto community. Step 6. Email verification required. Check your email for a verification message from Giginsto. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Click the Activate Email button to verify your account. Key points on Giginsto. Full name. Your full name must be in alphabets. Username. Only letters, numbers and underscores are allowed. Phone number. First choose your country code, then enter your number. You're ready to explore Giginsto. Whether you're offering your skills as a freelancer or looking for the perfect talent, Giginsto is here to help. Follow us on social media for the latest updates and tips. Happy freelancing!